Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video I am going to introduce you the one of the best Python exercise source, and I have practiced my Python from here only. Okay, and this website is PYnative.com, and this is not promotion video. Okay, I just think that this is best source to learn, so I am sharing with you guys. Okay, so I'll put this link in description, and till September 15 just practice your Python from here. Okay, solve all these exercise, and I think this should make your Python strong. And at September 15 I will post one another video which will contain small project. Okay, and we will use almost every concept which we have learned in this series, and I hope you got idea about this website. Okay, just go ahead, I will give this link in description, and try to solve these questions. Okay, these are very small question given with solution, but don't try to see solution, just try it by your own and then see the solution if you have any doubt. Okay, and still you don't able to understand any concept, then let me know in the comments. I will definitely try to help you. Okay, so yeah, I will see you in next one. Thank you.